If a contractor can start your bathroom remodel tomorrow, that's not always good news. Here's why, and the 5 reasons remodels actually get delayed. Myth 1, a contractor with wide open availability is a good sign. Reality, established contractors with reliable trade partners are usually booked weeks or months out because their scheduling is consistent. Unusually fast availability can actually signal the opposite. Myth number 2, skipping permits saves time. Reality, unpermitted work creates bigger problems later. Failed inspections, resale issues, insurance complications. Permitting takes time up front, but it prevents the project from stalling, or worse, down the line. Myth 3, materials always show up when promised. Reality, custom vanities, imported tile, and specialty fixtures can take 8 to 12 weeks or more. Order after demolition starts, and you're waiting with an open bathroom. Myth number 4, hidden damage behind the walls is rare. Reality, 40 to 60% of remodels uncover something once the demolition starts. It's common enough that a good contractor should already have a plan for it. Myth number 5, a small mid-project change won't affect your timeline. Reality, a bigger vanity can mean relocating plumbing. A new layout can mean new permits. Small requests add real time. So what's actually realistic? With the right planning, a full bathroom remodel typically can run 5 to 7 days of professional install time, not months of guessing. Before you hire anyone, ask how they manage their timelines, when they order materials, and how they communicate delays. We here at HomePride handle permitting and procurement before demolition even starts. That's how we keep our projects predictable. Don't let a myth cost you weeks.